Hey everybody, I'm Denise Thibodeau, and thank you for taking a few minutes just to learn about Epicure. Epicure is actually a beautiful and amazing Canadian company that I have the privilege of working with. I've been with this company for 15 and a half years, and I absolutely love working under the umbrella of Epicure because it has brought me so many gifts in my life. First of all, it's brought my health back. So 15 and a half years ago, when I first discovered Epicure, I was in a crossroads with my health and I needed to learn how to clean up my diet, but I didn't even know where to start. I was pushing my grocery cart down the grocery store aisle. I was reading ingredients on every single label. I was spending tons of money at a health food store, and it was not working until I found Epicure. And what I fell in love with Epicure is that Epicure product line is 100% gluten-free. It has no preservatives or additives in it. They really are cautious about the amount of sugar and salt they use in their products, and you can read every single ingredient. And with the food allergy that I had, it was really important that I knew what I was seasoning my food with. So if you're curious and you want to learn more about this amazing product, I offer virtual cooking classes. Yes, you can join my private Facebook groups and join me on a regular basis from my kitchen to yours and learn all about how to cook decent and amazing meals for your family that are 20 minutes or less. So if you want more information, if you want to be part of my community, DM me, find me on social media. I'm Denise Chamberlain Thibodeau. Good food, great life is my hashtag, so you can find me there. And I'd love to serve you and introduce you to an amazing product that revolutionized my life one bite at a time, and it is saving me time in the kitchen. So if you're struggling and you're looking for help, let's connect. Thanks for watching.